Hey guys. So I think you probably are all getting cabin fever. And I can only imagine if you live in a place where you can't get out into kind of nature, it's probably really hard on you right now. So I'm going to do another walk back to check on the tadpoles. We had a lot of rain here last night, and I'm curious to see how they handled that. And I don't know what you thought about that big, I guess they're called a herd of deer, that just ran through our little side pasture back here. And prior to that was a bunch of frogs. So you could hear the chorus of frogs. We say a cacophony, but a lot of frog noise, which was really cool. And so I hope that that came out. We'll find out when I look at this video later. So I'm going to head back and we're gonna check out and see how the tadpoles are doing. Okay, so let's get going. So I did a little bit of the hike without having the camera on, just so that I wouldn't have as long of a video in case that would be too much for you all. But I thought you'd want to see that group of deer that I videotaped earlier. I don't know if you can see. They are right down here. Just look for their tails wiggling. Now they've seen me, so, and I have a tailwind, so they can smell me. And it's not because I haven't showered, because I have been showering. Look at them all. Good lordy. That's a nice big group. I think it's the same group that we see come through here about this time. We should start seeing fawn soon. That'll be fun. Oh, there they are. Come on, girls, you got to catch up. There's two that are kind of stragglers. Well, are you going to go? Well, like how they shake their head at me like, pfft. All right, well, I'm going this way. Oh, they're like, okay. They look kind of plump. I bet that one on the left looks like she's carrying. She's going to have a baby. Okay. All right, let's see what we got going on down here. Doop, doop, doop. Figure at this point I'll just take you with me. All right, let's see. Oh boy. Remember this? Ooh. Okay, I think I have a better shot of not falling if I go this way. Famous last words. All right, I'm still wearing another pair of my favorite hiking boots. And they have not let me down again. I did it. I'm so happy. Okay. Man, that skunk weed is kicking. Phew. You gotta be careful with that stuff, because if you like rub up against it with your shoes or your pants, it like gets on your clothes and your pants stink so bad. You smell it for days. Of course, that's the way I wanted to go, this way. Alright, so I'm going to try to navigate through the skunk weed and try not to touch as much as possible. Ew. So I'm not doing too bad so far. See, I need to bring a horse back here, because if I ride my horses back here, it kind of mashes it down, and then you have a little path. Alright, let's see. Over the log. Alright, let's see. Now, good thing is at least we got rain, because we have had in the past where, let's see, where's my little cut through? Here we go. Where we kind of like went into a drought. Oh, there goes the ducks. That's kind of cool, except that they're probably eating my tadpoles, but that's okay. It is what it is. Oh no, there's some here. Not as big a grouping, although they might be down further. Let's see if we can find a little. Oh, they're getting bigger. Here's a nice little grouping. Let's see if I can get closer for you. And we will zoom in. There's a chunk. Yeah, they're definitely larger. Doesn't seem like there's as many. But I wonder if that's because those ducks were just there, so that might have like freaked them out. Maybe they went into hiding. Huh. These guys are all swimming in that direction. I don't know if you can tell, they're all heading like away. Oh, this is pretty cool. Yay! Okay, so the good news is the tadpoles survived the heavy rain we got last night. I was a little worried that this would have flooded and they would have like washed away, but they didn't, so that's good. So I hope you enjoyed seeing all of them. Maybe we'll have a naming party. Just kidding. Okay, there's still some deer. They're up on the hill now. Let's see if I can get you over there and you can see. They're like watching me. They blend in so well. It's like you can't even see them. Unless they flick those tails and then you can see them swatting their little tails. Yeah, they're totally watching me. They're like, what are you doing? Okay. So we're gonna, let me see, let's pan this way and get a really pretty, there's a pretty shot over here of the sky. And zoom out. Look at that. So I hope you enjoyed this short little hike back into the woods to check on our tadpoles. I hope everyone's doing well, staying safe, and we wish you peace, love, and health. Make sure you're taking care of yourselves, and we will see you soon. Bye.